Entangled photons and prayer may seem like an unconventional pairing at first glance, yet both tap into profound mysteries of the universe. Entangled photons are a phenomenon of quantum mechanics, where particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one instantly influences the state of another, no matter the distance between them. This non-local connection challenges our conventional understanding of the universe and hints at profound links between distant particles. Prayer, on the other hand, involves the act of seeking connection, guidance, or intervention from a higher power, often believed to transcend physical limits. The significance of exploring entangled photons alongside prayer lies in their common theme. Both phenomena suggest that unseen connections might exist beyond the physical world as we understand it, inviting contemplation on the nature of reality, consciousness, and interconnectedness. By placing scientific inquiry and spiritual practice side by side, we open up discussions about human understanding of the universe, the limits of empirical knowledge, and the role of belief. A compelling example of entangled photons in real-world application is quantum cryptography, which uses the properties of entanglement to develop secure communication systems. This technology promises unprecedented security because any attempt to eavesdrop on the quantum key distribution disrupts the entangled state, revealing the intrusion. Similarly, the power of prayer is often exemplified in psychological studies, where it has been shown to have calming effects, potentially enhancing stress management and resilience. Opinions supporting this exploration argue that both quantum mechanics and spirituality challenge individuals to think beyond the obvious and to consider the possible interplay between consciousness and the universe. Figures like physicist John Polkinghorne offer perspectives that reconcile these domains, positing that science and religion address different aspects of truth. However, challenges arise from this juxtaposition. Critics may argue that comparing a scientifically robust concept like entangled photons with prayer risks trivializing hard science with unprovable beliefs. Others contend that relying on prayer could detract from empirical problem solving. Nevertheless, the dialogue between these concepts might influence broader discussions on life, purpose, and the interconnectedness of all things, suggesting a universe where science and spirituality coexist. Through this lens, entangled photons and prayer collectively inspire curiosity, push boundaries of known science, and remind us of the mysteries yet to be fully understood. Quantum entanglement, a cornerstone of quantum mechanics, describes a phenomenon where two or more particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one particle instantly influences the state of the other, regardless of the distance separating them. This mysterious link defies classical intuitions, suggesting that entangled particles communicate in ways that transcend the conventional limitations of space and time. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of reality, sparking intrigue and debate among scientists and philosophers alike. The significance of quantum entanglement in unraveling the universe's best-kept secrets is profound. First, it pushes the boundaries of how we perceive connectivity and information transfer. In the context of the main topic, the mystery of entangled photons and prayer, entanglement may hint at underlying principles governing both scientific phenomena and esoteric practices. Some posit that just as entangled particles influence each other instantly, prayer might operate similarly through mechanisms yet to be understood. In practice, quantum entanglement has tangible applications. For instance, it underpins quantum computing, a burgeoning field promising exponential leaps in processing power compared to classical computers. Entangled qubits hold the potential for simultaneous computation across multiple states, revolutionizing problem-solving capabilities. Moreover, quantum entanglement is pivotal in quantum cryptography, offering theoretically unhackable communication through entangled photons. This ensures ultra-secure data transmission, which is critical in an era where cyber threats proliferate. While the promise is immense, quantum entanglement is not without its challenges and controversies. The famous Einstein-Podolsky-Rosen paradox raised doubts about the completeness of quantum mechanics, with Einstein famously deriding entanglement as spooky action at a distance. Current alternative perspectives, such as decoherence theories, seek to reconcile entanglement with classical physics by suggesting that interactions with the environment cause entangled states to appear classical. Entanglement's exploration intersects with the enigmatic nature of prayer and other conscious acts, inviting speculation on whether there exists an unseen web connecting all of existence. It poses questions about intention, consciousness, and interconnectedness in the universe, themes prevalent in spiritual discourse. This intersection with entangled photons teases at a unified explanation or paradigm yet to be discovered, capturing the imagination and curiosity of both scientists and spiritual enthusiasts. As we delve deeper into these mysteries, the dialogue between science and spirituality might offer novel insights, challenging our understanding of reality and our place within it. Entangled photons represent one of the most intriguing phenomena in quantum mechanics, where pairs or groups of photons become interconnected in such a way that the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, regardless of the distance separating them. This peculiar connection defies classical intuition and challenges our understanding of locality and causality. The importance of entangled photons in the context of the universe's best-kept secrets, unraveling the mystery of entangled photons and prayer, cannot be overstated. They open a window into the mysteries of quantum mechanics and offer a paradigm that can inspire deeper contemplation on universal connectivity, potentially expanding the dialogue around consciousness and spirituality, such as prayer. In real-world applications, entangled photons are at the forefront of quantum computing and quantum cryptography. In quantum computing, qubits formed by entangled photons can perform complex calculations at unprecedented speeds, holding the promise of solving problems beyond the reach of classical computers. In quantum cryptography, entangled photons are used to create unbreakable encryption keys, due to the fact that any eavesdropping attempt would immediately alter their state, thus alerting the communicating parties. Both examples illustrate how entangled photons can revolutionize technology by enhancing the speed, security, and efficacy of computations and communications. While many scientists and technologists are excited about the potential of entangled photons, there are challenges and controversies. The phenomenon, also known as spooky action at a distance, was initially met with skepticism, even from Einstein. Quantum entanglement raises philosophical questions about the nature of reality, free will, and information transfer. Some argue that it may require a revision of classical concepts of space and time. Moreover, practical challenges exist, such as maintaining the coherence of entangled states over long distances or durations, which is crucial for their application. Connecting entangled photons to the theme of prayer adds another layer of complexity and crossover between science and spirituality. Both concepts challenge traditional understandings of space, time, and influence. Just as entangled photons suggest an intrinsic link beyond physical proximity, prayer is often perceived as a means of establishing a connection or influence that transcends spatial boundaries. These intersections invite profound questions about the nature of reality, consciousness, and the possibility of unseen connections in the universe, pushing the boundaries of both scientific inquiry and spiritual exploration. Exploring the concept and practice of prayer invites us to delve into an ancient tradition that sits at the intersection of spirituality, consciousness, and metaphysics. Prayer, fundamentally, is a practice through which individuals communicate or commune with a higher power, the divine, or their inner self. It is often characterized by contemplation, invocation, or focused intention, and can take numerous forms, from structured recitations to spontaneous expressions of gratitude or supplication. In the context of unraveling the universe's best-kept secrets, particularly the mystery of entangled photons, prayer emerges as a significant counterpart. The essence of both prayer and quantum entanglement lies in their exploration of interconnectedness and the power of intention. Just as entangled photons reflect a mysterious link that transcends physical distance, prayer suggests a similar interconnection between the individual and the universe, a form of non-local interaction within the metaphysical realm. One real-world illustration of the power of prayer is seen in studies examining the placebo effect, where patients experience genuine improvements in health conditions through belief and expectation. This highlights the potential of focused intention and belief, central to the practice of prayer, in influencing reality. Another example is found in the global meditation events, like the International Day of Peace Vigil, where millions simultaneously engage in prayer or meditation. Participants report a collective sense of peace and unity, suggesting a tangible impact through coordinated spiritual focus. The significance of prayer does not come without its challenges and controversies. Critics often argue that prayer's effects are rooted in psychological self-delusion or mere coincidence, pointing to a lack of empirical evidence that can scientifically quantify its influence on the physical world. Additionally, debates persist around the efficacy and ethical implications of intercessory prayer, where prayers are directed toward the healing or influence of another person's condition without their consent. Despite these challenges, proponents argue that the potential benefits, such as improved mental health, a sense of purpose, and community bonding, render prayer a valuable practice. The connection between prayer and entangled photons highlights a shared dimension of unseen interconnectivity, encouraging a holistic exploration of how consciousness and intention might shape our reality. As we unravel these mysteries, prayer could inspire novel insights into how human thought and spiritual practices influence the broader tapestry of the universe.